My beginner fitness challenge starts right now, and this month is probably the most important one you're gonna do. Happy November! As you know, every month I have a 30-day fitness challenge that has a little theme, and November's theme is longevity. We'll be doing exercise to help improve our quality of life for everyday life for the rest of our life. We'll be strengthening every aspect of our body, including our heart and our brain. I have a brain activation video to keep our minds nice and nimble. It includes exercises to help improve your balance, your coordination, to make you a little less clumsy, and of course some of my very popular brain gym exercises to help stimulate those brain superhighways. The next video on my playlist is very important. It's a fall prevention routine to help you decrease the chances of you falling. There are exercises to help train your body to quickly react and adapt if ever it feels like it's falling. We'll be working on our stability and balance. I also have a video to help improve your ability to get up and down from the floor without actually having to work from the floor. The idea is to strengthen all the muscles that are involved in this movement pattern, of course in a very gentle way. I have a total body compound strength routine. It's a good way to build strength and to save time as well. It's under 10 minutes. And of course, in every challenge, I have a cardiovascular routine called Cardio Flex. We'll be improving our cardiovascular health and our mobility and flexibility at the same time. Again, another time saver, under 10 minutes. These routines are going to be so useful for everyday life, so even past the 30-day challenge, you'll have that knowledge and skill set to help you for the rest of your life. This challenge is available to all members of the JustinAugustin.com website or the Justin Augustin Fitness app. You just need to sign up to be a member and you'll have access to the challenges and all other routines and full 30-day courses that I have available on the site and app. You can play it on your computer, your phone, your tablet, or if you have a smart TV, you could download it on Apple TV, Roku, your Fire Stick. Check your app store, it's the Justin Augustin Fitness app. So get your membership at JustinAugustin.com, then download the Justin Augustin Fitness app. And don't forget to leave a review. Your kindness always helps me do this full time for you. I'll see you at the challenge. You totally got this.